everyone, welcome to Stayflexi. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the most useful and handy features we have, and that is our expense manager. To access it, just click on more apps on your right hand side and you will find the expense manager right there. So as you all know, running a property comes with a lot of expenses, from small daily payments to bigger withdrawals and cash top-ups. Managing all of that separately can be really tiring and time consuming. But with Stayflexi's expense manager, everything is brought together in one place right inside your dashboard. For example, in a single day, you might pay Rs 2,000 for your laundry in the morning, withdraw 10,000 for your housekeeping supplies in the afternoon, and then maybe you collect Rs 15,000 cash from a guest at check-in. So without a proper system, keeping track of all this will get really messy. But with Expense Manager, it makes sure every single rupee is recorded automatically and very clearly, so that you always know where your money is going. And the best part here, you don't have to dig around for this information. The moment you open the module, the dashboard gives you a clear summary of all your expenses, withdrawals, top-ups, and also the cash balance. Everything is right in one view. Also, you'll instantly see your top spending categories here, like whether it's your maintenance, laundry services, food supplies, or anything. And with the graphical view here, you can easily compare day by day or even just by clicking on the calendar icon here, month to month spending. No more guesswork and no more surprises at the end of the month. Setting up Expense Manager is really super simple. Just configure your expense categories once, like electricity, groceries, maintenance, or anything, and they'll always be ready to use. To add one, simply click the configuration icon on your right hand side, enter the expense name and click on Add, and the category will be saved. Then whenever you pay any expense, let's say maybe 2,000 rupees for your AC repair, just select the category, assign it to the right employee, enter the amount, add a description if you want, and then save it. Also, you can tick the checkbox to include this expense in your withdrawal. That's it. Everything will be recorded instantly. The same goes for both withdrawals and top-ups as well. And for employees, you can configure them here so that you can easily assign your expenses, withdrawals, or even any advances to the right person. And here comes the best part. Expense Manager is connected to your folio. So let me take you back to the folio now. Let's say a guest pays Rs 10,000 in cash. So normally you would just collect it and then later try to update your records. But with Stayflexi, when you go to the Settle Use option, you will see the option called Transfer this amount to cash top-up. Enable it once and every guest cash payment goes directly into your Expense Manager as a cash top-up. No more manual entries, no more missed records. Your cash flow stays fully updated in real time. So if you are already using Stayflexi for your operations, start using the Expense Manager today to take control of your finances. Whether it's your laundry bills, staff salaries, or petty cash withdrawals, or even the guest payments, everything flows into one place. This means fewer errors, zero manual tracking, and a complete picture of your property's finances at your fingertips. Tracking your expenses is easier than ever with Stayflexi, so just log in and see it in action for yourself. And if you ever get stuck, your account manager is always ready to help. So make the most of it and stay ahead with Stayflexi. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.